Hello, hello. All right. This video is for purposes of using Thrillshare and how to post things to Facebook and the website. So it's actually called Aptogy is the website, but it's through Thrillshare. And so basically, you're You can do this a couple of different ways. If you're doing it from your phone, you just need to go download the Thrillshare app. And if you're doing it on your computer, it's just Thrillshare.com. And what I did is I just drug it to my desktop right here. And that way it's easy access. You can bookmark it or however you want to do it. But it's pretty easy. So just to get started here, you're going to go to Thrillshare.com. So it's right up there. Okay. And I'm already logged in here. All right, so instead of typing your email address and password up here, you can quickly just go to login with Google, and it will take you straight there. Being that you got the invite in your email, which most of us had. A couple of us, it's still pending invite, so I resent you an email. So in your email, you have to make sure that you accept the invite to Thrillshare before you can do that. Okay, so once you do that, you click login with Google, and we're here. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see all these different, um, icons. And yours may not have as much, but it will have the one you need, which is live feed. So once you click on live feed, you'll see that it pops up to a page that looks like this. And it says post as. So you'll just click your picture, and now it'll say who is posting. Okay, so you should have an icon that has the F for Facebook and then LF for live feed. So when you're posting something, if you want it to go out to the elementary um, Facebook page, or sorry, this would be the high school Facebook page because it's only linked to there. I'll have to post it to the elementary one once you send it. But the live feed one will post to the district website. So you'll want to click on live feed. And if you, for some reason, want it to go to the high school Facebook page, you can click on the F as well, and it'll light them both up. But we don't do a whole lot with the high school Facebook page, so we'll just leave it live feed. And all you're going to do is you're going to type here what you're doing in class. In 4th grade, we are blah, blah, blah. And then you can come and upload your pictures from there. And once you have that uploaded, you'll click on the filter, click on elementary, and then publish. And what that'll do is it'll send it to me, and I will have the chance to approve it. And once I approve it, boom, it'll go straight out to the website. So pretty easy. I put on our week at a glance that we are posting this week. Everybody's going to post this week, just for purposes of seeing if we have any troubles with it. And then after that, we will go to a weekly turn-taking basis as to where we're posting every week for the elementary school, and it won't be too much more to have to do. So pretty easy. If you have any questions, just swing by and see me, and should be pretty kosher. All right, have a good day, guys.